so hard.
Is it?
Yes.
You okay?
Hi. We've been putting this one off for a while.
Well, you've been putting it off.
Yeah, it's because I'm the one paying, aren't I?
Yep.
Welcome to, what do you call these things?
I don't know. That game?
Sure, the Schweppes on the table. Let's get rid of the Schweppes. You can see what's on my PC, Jesus. Ignore Bowsette as well. Hi everyone. Yes.
You ready for this?
No, you don't have to look so happy. So this is one of these games, you know. We need. Oh, the saucy little bitch. Yeah, it's one of these games with the side. I don't like the side. The side of danger.
Yeah. At least it's the sensitive skin one, you know?
Thanks. Great.
You can get exfoliated and moisturized skin. 28 days of smoothness.
I hope not to be exfoliated. I want my exfoliants inside me. I don't get punished for mounting.
What do you mean? For mounting what?
That, like if I,
Is it on?
yes, I think it's on. That's not on.
Now it's on.
I hate. That's just so
It's
obnoxious.
so unpleasant.
Right, gone in. I'm going so. Just relax here.
To explain it, okay, hang on. So every time he taps that, he gets waxed. I have a wheel on here that has different body parts
You knocked me.
listed. I didn't move. Does that count as 2?
Fuck off! No, it doesn't. I said, do I get punished?
It's not too bad.
Oh, it's a leg. For ease, I'll just.
Bad.
Oh. This is one of those, like, I haven't shaved for like a week, like anywhere, and
Was it for the sake of this video?
no, I was being lazy, but now,
Are you regretting that decision?
yeah, why like that?
1, 2. Nothing?
I'm having a moment. Well, you didn't get that prepared, to be honest.
Really?
You don't show them that, because that's just gross.
It's really gross.
It burns a bit. Do not touch! I'm not punished for mounting.
I don't know what you mean by mounting.
Mounting! You're like putting it on! Like doing that! That's not punishment, right? That's a start. I'm not started yet, okay?
Okay, go on.
I'm not in yet, okay? Now we're live. I don't like this game.
Nope. I feel really bad.
That's not too bad. Do I have to get does that mean I have to get my nips out? That's I'm undressing on the camera. It's a bit saucy. See, look, I got a bit of sauce. Anyway, I don't care. Just, oh, this is gonna hurt, isn't it?
It's so bad. Okay, you ready?
Why did I say that we would do this?
This is your idea.
I know this was my idea. I hate past me. Oh, it hurts.
Super.
It's very sticky afterwards.
It is, that's why we have wipes, but I was gonna wait so we could use this one everywhere.
Fuck this, never again.
mounting, right?
That was mountain. I'm just very bad at this. I'm gonna have no hair left.
Oh.
Is that worse?
No.
No, that's significantly worse.
Is it?
I mean, in one way, this is gonna be cleansing and like a pleasant experience, but I imagine like chest hurt, leg. I didn't give a shit about legs. I'm just gonna stick my arm. I'm gonna T-pose here. Why that way? Why wouldn't we just wrap around?
Oh, you want to wrap around?
Dickhead.
That's what you want.
Why did we do it on my right arm? Why is it always my right arm? Oh. Oh. Violet. Oh, that's disgusting.
You have a significant hole with hair.
Let's have a sticky burny spot. It was mounting, it was mounting, it was mounting. I'm scared and I have recently been shamed. I think what hurts me more is the fact that that noise makes me jump.
It's really
Because I'm so much in a zen state.
It's such a loud noise.
Ah.
Ready? I can't even see what that says.
I have to unveil my belly. Oh, this is so bad.
There.
I mean, just grab it all. You're right over my belly button,
I was
mate.
trying. I'm not. I was trying to avoid.
This woman.
Ready? Why? Just breathe.
Beautiful. Fuck off. Dismount now, because I want to readjust. You're allowed to dismount, aren't you?
What are the rules for this kind of game? I don't know.
I'm gonna say yes.
Ta-da! How do you feel?
I'm just in pain. I was like a burden has been lifted, but no, it just stings. Can I have wipes?
Yeah,
That's sticky.
that's what it is.
These wipes are shit. Moisturize.
Why does it sound like a pickup line?
It's the sunblock? The skin?
Oh!
The skin lady.
Moisture, the trampoline.
Trampoline.
She looks like a trampoline.
Skin.
Yeah, she looks like a trampoline.
This looks right. Hey. Hey, ladies. Don't mind me. I'm just enjoying myself. I'm slightly dusty. Wipe me.
No.
I need a wipe. Baby, this is not good. Fucking shit.
They smell good.
Useless.
Okay, the good with the bad. You're gonna have a very moisturized portion of your leg.
And then it's like nice and fat. It's ah!
How do you feel?
Good.
Do you feel less hairy? Less fluffy?
No. So sticky and sore. Done. I've killed my enemy. I shall now kill you.